What's up, people? Welcome back again at the New York City Trade Show, where all the guys come to show their wares. And we're here with my boy Trent. We met in Vegas, but of course the Vegas footage, we had to burn the Vegas footage. And let's not ask any more questions about that. But we're here in New York. We're back with Trent and Global Futures. And I want to tell you, I did my first futures trade. It worked out well. I bought one contract, big player that I am, bought one contract the day when the NASDAQ futures were gapped down 89. I figured if this is a panic, I'm in. So I got in, and on one contract, I made $220. Now, my main thing is wanting to know a little bit more about it. So first of all, let's tell us what you do and what you provide for the futures trading people out there.
All right, thank you very much, Jefferson. I'm glad to hear about your first trade there. You know, don't worry, you got to start out somewhere, one contract. Once you're happy, you can always step that up, start trading multiple contracts. What we do is Global Futures. We are an introducing broker. We're out of Encino, California. We're the best futures brokerage in the United States and also in the world. We're called Global Futures because we do provide access to global markets. We have a lot of clients in Europe, clients in Australia, also clients in Asia. Global Futures, we provide discount commission rate, also quality customer service to back it up, low day trading margins. So that's what we're all about. Thanks, Jefferson.
That sounds awesome. Now, let me ask you a question. As far as the novice is concerned, which is, I consider myself a novice with that one contract. Now, setting limits and making sure that people don't lose money. Now, like I said, I was trading at 7 p.m. the night before the market opened up. Now, if this thing started going against me and I put a stop loss in, is there a guarantee that you're going to be able to get out of these stop losses? Because I really don't know.
A stop loss order is a very good way to protect yourself from losses. But I would like to say there really is no guarantee. You know, as a broker, I have an ethical obligation to tell my clients that when you are trading, there is no guarantee your stop's going to get hit. Let's say that the market was actually to gap 20 points below your stop. Right. The CME actually has a limit to the actual amount that your order can be filled away from when you place that stop. Okay. So if the market actually gapped below your stop, the limit, it's actually going to be a limit order that's working, and if the market doesn't get back to that level, it's not going to get filled. Now, we're talking about a situation that's rare. In all of my years as brokering, I've only seen it happen a few times, and it's actually more common on markets such as grains and those type of markets rather than stock indexes. But just so you're aware, it can happen. That's why when you're trading, you need to be on top of it, or you need to have a broker that's going to be on top of it for you. And we at Global Futures do provide full service brokerage as well. We can help you keep on top of your positions, on top of your trades.
Now, if somebody wanted to come to your site, someone that hasn't done a futures trade in their lives, do you teach? Do you provide any education at all?
We actually can help you get started in trading. We're going to, inform you how the markets work. Very important things to know are your values of different contracts, the hours that the markets trade. One of the best ways to get started.
You don't know the hours, you shouldn't be doing this, right?
No, absolutely not, because you're going to get caught in a trade, you're going to get an overnight margin, you're going to go on margin call. You don't want that to happen. Very bad, but we also provide free simulated trading, which is really the best way to educate yourself. Okay. You know, I'm sure as you ladies, as you know, the best way to learn about something is really to get into it yourself, not just hear somebody else doing it. Simulated trading, you don't have to put your real money in. Hands-on, as the lovely lady here said.
Now, we've been talking about stock indexes. You also do the oils and all that?
Absolutely. Just about any futures market out there, we can provide access. Stock indexes are the most popular, but of course there are commodity futures. We're talking about grains, talking about energies, metals. I myself am actually specializing in gold research, so right. Well, you name it, we can probably provide it.
My main concern is I read somewhere where if you're trading the oil futures and it goes against you, they actually deliver oil to your house. I don't want barrels. There's a sign over there with a really smelly oil barrel. I don't know exactly what they're promoting in there, but I'm going to have to talk to those guys. But will they actually deliver barrels of oil to my home? Because my mom, my wife will be pissed. I don't live with my family. I don't live with my mom. That was just a technical error, even though I did live with my mom till I was like 30. All right, but will they really deliver oil to my house?
You bring up a very good point, Jefferson, because this can happen. And when they do deliver you, they come in the middle of the night when you're sleeping, and they have no respect. They'll just dump that oil all over you. No, I'm kidding. Delivery in futures trading is something that doesn't happen very often. Okay. Certain markets you can take physical delivery, and that's another thing you want to know when you're trading is the market physically delivered or cash settled? Cash settled means there's no actual commodity they're going to be delivering. They're just going to be adjusting cash in your account. You take physical delivery, they're not going to bring it to your house. They're going to store it somewhere, and you're going to get charged for that. You're going to get charged insurance. There's a lot of reasons you normally want to avoid delivery, but there are certain traders, hedgers, things like that, that are looking to take delivery, and there are physically settled markets that you can take delivery.
Like gold. I wouldn't mind someone showing up to my house with a gold bar. That'd be nice, right? That could happen too. Will they deliver a gold bar to my house?
It would be nice, and some traders do that, but to be honest, there are more efficient ways to buy gold bullion than taking delivery on a futures contract. But COMEX Gold is physically settled, and they will store it for you, and they will charge you insurance.
Between me and you and the 17 people watching, could you get me a gold bar? That'd be awesome.
I'm working on it already, actually, as we speak. I got my people. They're working on it already.
Because I heard you had a gold bar in your pants, if you know what I'm saying. What's up, Vegas?
That's right. Woo!
All right, let's say goodbye and go check.
Globalfutures.com. Check us out on the web.
Don't forget.
Trenton, ask for me. I'll answer all your questions. Take good care of you.
Don't forget, you get a squishy ball.
And you get a squishy ball. Woo!
Squishy balls.
Here, you ladies can have that.